Hey everyone, I will show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list. First, I will show you my second account. You can see their following and their follower. Now, I will switch my second account and go to the profile and tap the three lines on the top right. Then tap setting and privacy. Now tap the account privacy and tap the private account option. Now your account is private. Now I will switch my account, go back. Now I search this account. Now this account is private and I will not open their following and followers.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.